Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Screpy, a tool that claims to analyze and monitor your website in one dashboard with an AI-based SEO and web analysis tool. It's a tool that will grant you access to a dashboard where you can see all your SEO metrics, page speeds, your preferred keywords. You can see that on the dashboard as keyword rankings, uptime to monitor your websites with notification response time, historical data. With plan 1, you get 1 team members, 10 10 team members, 10 websites, 400k keywords credits per month, and 8k monthly analysis credits. If you get more codes, you're gonna get better limits, up to 10 codes. You can get up to 10 codes. So you get 10 websites and 72k keyword credits per month. It's a lot. So let's take a look at the tool. Here you can see you start creating a project and you add your website domain. Only do that. Give any name, any website domain, and click on save. The tool will start to analyze your website and crawl your page. Now you can see the dashboard. It shows your site health, the rising keywords, failing keywords, the number of images you have, the type of images you have. You have a list of issues that you will need to work on your page. For instance, the no index page, no follow page that you have, page has links to broken page, so you go here and you can see the instructions how to solve the issue related to one of your website page. So you see exactly what's not working and how you can fix it. You're going to see the crawler, your contents, the number of keywords you have, the descriptions, the short titles. You will be able to check your page speed. So just type your website here and click on Analyze. You get performance, accessibility, best practice, SEO, the last date of monitoring, etc. About your links, you'll be able to check all your links and if it's working or not. If they're internal, if they're external, you'll be able to check that. Also about your email, or all images, your missing titles. You see that my image has no titles, so no outs. You're gonna check here and you see everything you need to do to improve your website SEO related to your images. Uptime, you're gonna check your website uptime, average response time, status code. Okay, so it's working. Average uptime 100%. You can check your website uptime. About SERP, so the keywords. You can just add a keyword here and check it on SERP. You add any keyword, select the country, in my case Brazil, desktop or mobile, and check here if you are ranking or not for that keywords. So that's an overall about SERP. I think the tool is pretty good. You will be able to do a lot concerning SEO with only one tool. So you can check SERP, you can do your crawler, you can do an overview, you can have a list of issues and how you're going to fix those issues, image, page speeds, and also an uptime. So that's Screpy. I have added the best link on the description so you can check more about the deal. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.